Welcome to day 15 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Today, we're exploring mindful listening, a practice that deepens our connection with ourselves and others by bringing full presence to the act of listening. Too often, we listen to respond rather than to understand. Mindful listening allows us to slow down, absorb sounds fully, and appreciate the richness of the world around us. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice, listening with full awareness. Find a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Ready? Let's begin. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if you'd like, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel yourself settling into the present moment. Shift your attention to the sounds around you. Notice what you hear: birds chirping, distant voices, the hum of electronics, or even the rhythm of your breath. Observe without labeling or analyzing. Allow sounds to come and go naturally. Some may be pleasant, others distracting. Simply acknowledge each sound without reacting or forming opinions. If you're with someone, practice listening with your full attention. Instead of thinking about how to respond, focus on their words, tone, and emotions. Give them space to express fully before you reply. Take a final moment to appreciate the practice. Notice how mindful listening made you feel: calmer, more present, or even more connected. Carry this awareness with you throughout the day. Mindful listening strengthens relationships, improves focus, and enhances our overall mindfulness practice. By truly listening, we cultivate empathy and connection. By making listening a conscious practice, we transform our interactions and become more present in our daily lives. How did mindful listening change your experience? Did you notice something new about the sounds or conversations around you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on day 15 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Let's carry this practice of mindful listening into our conversations and daily moments. See you tomorrow for day 16. Stay serene and listen with presence.